It's your boy Kabeta FX, and I want to thank y'all for 250 subscribers. That is a crazy goal that we've hit, and we're honestly building a community. And the thing I want to say is I want to appreciate all my viewers from Africa, all my viewers from America, all my viewers from London, all my viewers from Saudi Arabia. It's incredible to me how many countries I've been able to share free knowledge and free information with. So any of y'all are watching this who have been with me since 10 subscribers, 50 subscribers, I want to thank y'all, because nothing that I'm doing right now I could do without y'all. We're not at like 2.5 million obviously, but we're at a number right now that I really do feel like now that I'm starting to get the reach to be able to share this free knowledge, this free information to, and really start helping out new day traders. And what I want to do today is break down my trading strategy that I use in my live trading room. If you want to join that, it will be linked in the description. It's free to join, okay? I love to do free one-on-one calls with you. So if you join, reach out to me. We can do a free one-on-one call. But if you want to become a member, obviously it costs money because I give people results. I make people money day in, day out, every other day to every day, right? My live trading room, right? I don't promise results. I'm not a man of words. I'm results, okay? So I do offer that. That's to do for people who might be struggling or simply want the ease and access to make money with me Monday through Friday. But I'm obviously not selling a course right now. I'm gonna go in here, break this trade down, let you know exactly what I was thinking, and I want y'all to be able to see what it looks like, what my trading walkthrough, my intro, and how I trade day in, day out. And if you're a new trader, right, or someone who likes this channel, make sure to subscribe. Hope y'all enjoy this video. But the first thing we're gonna do, as y'all can see, we're on the US 30 chart. This wasn't a crazy win, right? We only caught about 45 points. It was about a 1 to 1.5, right? I obviously show y'all trades when we catch 1 to 7s and 1 to 5s in very good setups, but there's times we're gonna get, moves that are a little bit smaller, right? And there's nothing wrong about getting smaller moves, right? And the thing you need to understand about day trading is 45 points to me was only a 1 to 1, right? Because I had a pretty big stop loss on this because I like my stop loss based off market structure. But if you would have had a 20-point stop loss or a 15-point stop loss, it could have been a 1 to 3, a 1 to 2, right? It's very dependent on your stop loss size, okay? I like to be a little bit more safe on mine, but if you were trading this, with a 15, 20-point stop loss, it's obviously going to be a bigger win. But when we come to this market, as y'all can see, we were in an area of consolidation. We broke through this zone, and then we pulled up and started consolidating here. Now, if price action would have stayed in consolidation, I wouldn't have taken this trade, right? The way I trade, I don't trade consolidation. I don't trade when we have clear bullish or bearish price action. That's when I like to trade, when I know what the market's doing, right? The first step I do in my strategy is I have a pre-market analysis. So if we go to Tuesday, right, these big lines right here, they're not just there for y'all to watch. They're there because they mean something. I'm gonna show y'all what they mean and why they're important. All right, guys, so now we're on the 4-hour chart. I'm gonna show y'all why it's very important you have a pre-market analysis. So it's very good, and a lot of scalpers don't do this, but if you're scalping, right, on the 5-minute, the market can look bearish, but really and truly, it's very bullish, and you need to not get faked out. People, if you've been trading for a while, you know what fake outs are, and they suck. I hate to get faked out, and I don't want that to happen to y'all. So what I do is very simple, right? I go in the 4-hour. I want to know what the overall market's doing. And when we come to Tuesday for this setup, so y'all can see I got a lot of writing on my charts. I do this every day, and I give results, right? But if we go to Tuesday, right, as y'all can see, we were clearly bullish. This was after the election. We had a lot of price action, a lot of market movement. Now, this is that zone we were trading in. Very simply put, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now, I knew as long as price action stayed above this previous higher low, we were bullish. I'm looking for buys. And, right, as long as we stayed above the support, right, in the zone, buy, buy, buy. I'm not looking for sells. So that's very simply what these other two lines meant. Now let's go back to the 5-minute chart. All right, guys, so we're back to the 5-minute chart. And when you look at this with the naked eye and not knowing what you're looking at or what the overall market's doing, you might think, oh, we're falling, we're bearish, sell, sell, sell. I'm gonna get in for a sell, right? Because I'm telling you, the market can make illusions, make it look like it's going away, even when the overall market is going away, okay? So now when I'm looking at this, I know we're still in our zone. I'm still looking for buys, and we broke above our zone. So I'm very much looking for buys, okay? So we broke out of this consolidation, and now we're very bullish. And now we come to this zone, and I'm gonna explain why I entered here, okay? Now, price action created a higher high and a higher low. As long as price action would have stayed here, right, we're bullish, right? As long as we stay above the support, we're bullish, right? Then I could have entered a little bit later on the setup on the actual break here, but I wanted to be a little more tight on my entry and secure a couple extra points, which y'all can see. It definitely caught me extra points and helped me make more money on this, right? So instead of waiting for the overall break, I waited for the higher high, right, higher low, lower high, right? And this is not a lower high because we didn't break, so don't let that elude you, right? It's not bearish, it's still bullish, right? So again, this is that zone I'm gonna get in, right? price broke above, simply told my live trading room members, all right guys, buy, hopped in, caught around 45 points, and that is how simple my strategy is, right? It comes down to very basic things, right? Know what the overall market's doing on the 4 hour, go into the 5 minute, see if we're in the zones we want to trade in, okay? Know what the market's doing on the 5 minute now, and then find your entry zones, okay? And obviously I have entry game plans, exit game plans, and it is a little bit more in depth, and I don't expect anyone to understand or fully learn, right? And there's reasons like, oh, why is this candle here, okay? 8:30 a.m., that's when the volume comes in for US30. Why is there a 9:30 a.m. candle? Because I'm not gonna trade after that hour, right? Okay, why are these zones, all right? I already told you all the zones because it's the 4 hour, right? So if you wanna learn how to trade, if you want to make profit day in, day out, get funded, I've helped my members get funded thousands of dollars, then join the free Discord, reach out to me, but you don't have to, right? And I love to post free content, trade breakdowns, and more trade breakdowns are gonna be coming in this next upcoming week. So hope y'all enjoy this content. It's your boy KebetaFX. I'm out on the road to, well, we done to 250. So I would say my next target is gonna be 500.